I will explain what is a stack ISA, and I will show an example. Stack ISA stores information by using the principle first come, first served. The first value is processed last, and the last element is processed first. The register that holds the address on top of a value in the stack is defined as a stack pointer. The rules of doing stack ISA is the order of placing the value matters when there's using subtraction or division. What we're going to use to do stack ISA is push, and that's to insert a value. Pop is to take a value out of the stack, and we're going to use multiplication, subtraction, division, and addition. The example we're going to use is A equals B plus C minus E divided by E. First, we're going to push B, and B will go onto the bottom, and then after we're going to push C. As you can tell from here, the rule we're going to use is first come, first served. So, shown here, B is going to be still first, and C on top is going to be second. Now, we're going to push E. B is still on the bottom, but we're not going to worry about B for right now. But C is first, and then E is second. Next, we're going to subtract C minus E. And as you can see here, we went back to two values. So B is first, and C minus E is second. The next step is to add B to C minus E. C minus E will go on the bottom and will become B plus C minus E. And since it's on the bottom, it's first. Now we're going to do divided by E. So this is why we did B plus C minus E first. Cut divided by E first, the E would be in a different place. So we're going to push E. So we're going to do B plus C minus E, which is first. And we're going to put E on top, which is second. We're going to divide B plus C minus E with E on the top. E goes to the bottom and becomes first. We have our equation B plus C minus E divided by E. Now the last thing we need is A, which equals to our problem. The last thing is to pop the A, so we're going to pop it out the stack with the signed variable, and we'll have our final answer, A equals B plus C minus E divided by E.